So, you guys wanted to see one of these functioning. Um, I know we want step-by-step instructions on exactly what to do advanced CAD, but it's kind of not realistic or really possible because it does depend on how you bring in your parts, how they're made, and other factors like that that we can't account for everyone. So shout out to Shane Jowett. This is his version. He put three pieces of track down. You can see he grounded this one back here to start with, um, and then he brought in all of his components on here. Each one of these is one of his different train components, and then up here is when he started to. Oops, sorry. When he started to uh, do a lot of mating with his train assembled on this track. So he does have everything aligned. It does function. I know what you guys are probably primarily concerned with is like how did he get it to drive? Um, Looks like he did an angular mate back here in between. It's flashing up over here because he had it over here and I backed it up so that it can go forward instead of showing you the motion, the animation in reverse. But he's got this angular mate back here, and what it ends up being is the flat part. He said he found this on YouTube. Uh, Flat part of the inside of the wheel. Okay, so one of these faces, like right here, and then the back part of the train, and he put an angular constraint on there. This part here, he put an angular on there, and that's what's driving it. Are those two, and you can see works really well. Train goes forward. His connecting rod's stable. Uh, they're in opposite sides, like we see over here. And comes all the way over to his starting position. 360 apparently started here and ended perfectly right at the end of this first piece. Um, Logically, you would then triple it, but said that wasn't quite working. Played around with the numbers, he said, until he got to minus 1550. It says minus because it goes backwards. This is starting position, so that's why when you see these mates, when they're highlighted, they're all like over here, and they weren't over here where it originally started. So this is his starting point, but uh, does work. Looks pretty good. So just an idea for some of you guys if we're struggling with some uh, having some problems getting this to work. Remember, this would be 100% if you got something similar where we get it to work and function, but we maybe can't drive it, or we can it'll only function for one area of the track. I understand that you're still going to be in the upper 90s on that. Anything fully assembled, maybe it doesn't work. You're at 90 or maybe a high B for this project. It's not a requirement to get a 100%. I'm sorry, it's not a requirement to still be in the A range to get the function. We would like it to function, but have everything properly constrained. I can grab things and they stay where they're kind of supposed to. That's going to get you in high 80s, low 90s.